Good morning, students. I am here again with the English reader, chapter 4, Everyday Things. This poem is written by Jean Ayer. Now, who was Jean Ayer? I have a few pictures of Jean Ayer. Jean Ayer was born in the year 1878 in West Virginia and died in 1964. His famous creations are Donald Duck and his friends, Dead and Drunk, The Tales of Chinkaping Creek. Now, in this poem, Everyday Things, the poet underpins the importance of everyday things that we use in our day-to-day life. Now, let's start the poem. Millennials, presidents, even king can't get along without everyday things. Now, children, underline the word millennials. What is the meaning of millennials? Millennials means a person whose assets are worth 1 million. And what is the meaning of president? President, a person, an elected head of republic country. Now, poet illustrate here that everyday things is as important for millennials, president and kings as is important for an ordinary person, and all of them can't get along without these things. Now come to the next line. Were you president, king or millionaire, you would use a comb to comb your hair. Now he asserts that if anyone wants to brush their hair, he need a comb. Now children, here question arises, what are the everyday things? Now have a look, what are the everyday things? Everyday things are the things that we use in our day-to-day life. And what are these things? These things are bread. Tea, coffee, book, pencil, computer, shoes, etc. Now, next question. What is the next question? What type of people does the poet mention here? The poet mentions millennials, presidents and kings. Now come to the next line. If you wish to be clean, and you would, I hope, you would take a bath with water and soap. Now children, why does the poet use the word I hope here? The poet used the word I hope because he imagines most people have to have bath and not remains dirty. And what they need for bath? They need water and soap. Now, and you would have to eat, if you wanted to eat, bread and vegetable, fish and meat. If any person wants to eat, if any person wants to fill his empty stomach, he need tables, he need bread and vegetables. They can't fill their stomach with money. Now next line. While you drink for breakfast would properly be milk or chocolate, coffee or tea. If anyone wants to drink, it may be milk, chocolate, tea or coffee. Now next line. You would have to wear, you could hardly refuse, underclothes, outer clothes, stocking and shoes. Now children, underline the word stocking. What is the meaning of stocking? Stocking means a long sock worn by men. Now, here question arises, why does poet feel that we could hardly refuse to wear clothes? We could hardly refuse to wear clothes because we could not go out of home if we did not wear the clothes. And what are these clothes? These clothes are outer clothes. These clothes are underclothes, outer clothes and stocking and shoes. Now children, up to here poem is clear. Now it's time for your homework. What is your homework? You have to write all these questions in your English 2 notebook. And what are these questions? Just have a look. First question. What is the meaning of everyday things? Which type of people does the poet mention in the poem? Who wrote the poem Everyday Things? Now next question. Why does the poet say the words I hope? Now, why does he mention water and soap? Why does the poet feel that we could not hardly refuse to wear these clothes? Who usually wear these clothes? Now the last one is learn the poet everyday things. Now children, all these questions you have to write in your English 2 notebook. Write neatly, clearly and write in cursive. In my next class, I will discuss rest of the poem. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you.